Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today's project is hot melt glue repair on a thrift store rocking chair. I paid 20 bucks for the rocking chair, but the arms were all loose. That's probably why somebody donated it. Today's everyday carry is the Kershaw. $86,000, whatever that is, but got the nice thumb flipper here. You know, you can close that. But I use that to get all the old glue off this thing, the dowels, after you take the loose ones apart. Like you can see the glue on top here. You want to put fresh glue in there, because it's not going to exactly fit. But they didn't use very much glue. I think that's probably why it came apart here. But we got more glue. More glue, more power. Genius that invented this. Sheer genius. Nobel Prize material. Little dab of Duya. I'm getting all around there, all along the watchtower. I gotta find out which end is up and which, oh, this is the down. Nuts. I want glue in there yet. The bottom. I better test fit. I forgot which end is up. That's the up end. Yeah. Well, before the glue hardens up, I better stick it in there. Same thing here, blast the holes. Put a dab on top. Watch over here. Just like cutting, correct alignment is everything. More force, more power. I'm going to put the screw to it. It ain't lining up with the mark. I missed the mark here on this back end. There, fine adjustment with the watch repair tool. I left my screw gun at the new house. Come on, get in there before that glue solidifies. There we go. It's always good starting the afternoon with a small victory. God bless the YouTubers. I got more work to do.